It will be just a few months to the year end, and if you've been wondering how you want to save, maybe you set a saving goal for yourself but you haven't achieved them, then this video is for you. For this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy savings challenge that I'm doing throughout the whole year. And mostly I keep on telling people, if you're going to save, have a purpose for your saving. If you have a purpose, trust me, it will kick you to save. So keep watching. My name is Josie. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being part of my friends. For today's video, I'm going to do my 3 easy savings challenge, which is very easy. Trust me. You decide which one you want to do. It's not forced for you to do all the 3 like I'm doing. I'm just showing you the ways so that you decide which one you want to do. And this 3 savings challenge is the common savings challenge that is very popular, but a lot of people think that, oh, this is too small, but it adds up so quick. All my savings challenge has a purpose. I set a purpose for the savings challenge so that when I'm putting the money in the savings challenge, I get excited. That's how cool it is. So let me bring up the 3 savings challenge, then you see how I'm doing it. So I have my monthly savings challenge, which it comes in monthly. I do have it in my shop in case you want to grab it. I'll have the link in the description. So all the savings challenge I do have it. So every month I set it up with a bonus. So if you do one each week, or if you want to do it every paycheck monthly, you can do it together anyhow you want to do it. But it comes like a monthly tax like that. It has an envelope where you put the money. It also have an envelope where you slide in the tracker as well. You can reuse it multiple times. So many times. So let's put that one on the side. Then I'll show you the second one. Then the next one is the 52 money part. It's the same as the 52-week savings challenge. And for me, I do 3 at a time. So this is how far we are. Almost done though. Almost done today. We're going to do 3 of them. But if you do it each one at a time, you're supposed to do it for 52 weeks. If you do it weekly, or if you do one a day, it's supposed to be 52 days, or whichever way you want to do it. It comes with the trackers as well. I do have them in my shop. Very cheap, affordable, not too expensive. Then I do have my 100 Envelope Savings Challenge. That one comes in multiple challenges. But the one I'm doing the random one. I don't have a fixed number for it. I decide which amount I put in each envelope. So it's not like forced that I have to put 74. No, I decide. So I can put $1 here and I'm okay. And I do have a tracker that you can track that one as well. That's what I'm doing here. As you can see, so that's the other challenge. Very, very easy. So let's go ahead, count the money, how much money we have today. Then we're going to start with them one by one. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. That's 49. This one, I think I'll need my calculator, which is over here. So we do have 49 plus, put it here. Then I do have some 5s. Okay, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so 145. plus 145. So I'm going to put in $194 into this 3 savings challenge. Like I said, you don't have to do it that way. It depends on you, how you want to do it. So let's go ahead and start with my monthly one. So for my monthly one, I'm going to I think I'm just going to do 5 plus 5, which is 10. So because we are in week 1, so I'm going to do 10. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. So I'll put it in the packet here. Then I'll take this out and I'm gonna mark it. So this one and that one. So that's it for that one. That's week 1. Okay, then I'll go ahead and do the 52 one, and that one I'm gonna do 43 to 45. So we're gonna, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So 43. Okay. Okay, then we do have 44. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I do have 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. And that'll be the last one for today. I can't wait to get it done. When I'm done, it's going towards my student loan. And that will be, I will try and do the bonus so that it will get to about 1,500. So we do have just 1, 2, then this one. So I'll try and balance with the bonus so that I'll get like 1,500. But if you do up to the 52 without the bonus, you get 1,378. So today we did 1, 2. Oh, I didn't mark these. Okay. So that's that one. Okay. Then my last one will be my 100 envelope savings challenge. That's this one. And that one, see how cute this is. And this one, today I'm going to decide how I'm going to do it. But what I'm going to do, that's what I did last time. I'm going to do 5, 5, 5. So let's see if the 5 will be enough. So 4 of them. Okay, I'm going to do 5 here. Let's see how far we will fill this. 5. Then I'll do 5. Okay, then I'll do 10 here. Okay, so let me keep the tracking going so that I'll know where I am. So we did 5, and we did 10. Okay. Then now that I'm done with 5s, let's do maybe 3s. 4. Maybe 4. 4. 4. then 4. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do it today. 4 in each packet. And this one, then we do 3, then we do 1. Until the money get finished. That's what I would say. So here. This is so fun. Then here. Then here. Then here. Okay, then we're gonna do 3. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, so let's finish this. Then this one goes here. So let me go ahead and record it. So we did 4, 4, 4, 4, then we did 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then now I think I'm gonna do, I have 1, 1. I think I'm gonna do 1, 1, 1, 1. Yep. So let's see where we are. So each of these is gonna get 1. My kids are making noise, so in case you hear anything, look at that. Hopefully it wouldn't come in the video too much, but they are in the house and I'm trying to record. Okay. Then 1 here. Then 1 here. Okay, so this is how far we are with these. That one as well. So these are my 3 easy savings challenge. Like I said, you pick and decide which one you want to do. I really appreciate everybody watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.